Ready to give your Shopify store a professional web address that's all your own? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a custom domain to replace the default.myshopify.com URL. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A custom domain, like yourAwesomeStore.com, builds brand trust and makes your business look established. Let's get yours set up in just a few steps. First, you need to understand your two main options. You can buy a new domain directly through Shopify, which is the easiest option, or you can connect a domain you already own from a provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. If you're buying new, the process is seamless. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then Domains. Click Buy New Domain and search for your desired name. Shopify will handle all the technical setup automatically. It's truly a one-click solution. Now, if you own an existing domain, the process involves just a few more steps. You'll still start in the Domains section in your Shopify settings. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter your website address. Shopify will then give you specific instructions. Here's the key part: you'll need to log into your domain provider's website, where you bought the domain, and update the DNS settings. You're essentially telling your domain to point visitors to your Shopify store. The exact settings you need, like changing the A record and name record, will be clearly provided by Shopify. A crucial pro tip: after you update your DNS settings, it can take up to 48 hours for the connection to propagate globally. So don't panic if it doesn't work instantly. You can check the status in your Shopify admin, and it will eventually show as connected. And that's how you stake your claim on the web with a custom domain. It's a major upgrade for your brand. If this guide helped you look more professional, please give it a thumbs up. What's your new domain name? Share your brand's new address in the comments below. To make sure you're choosing the right plan for your growing business, subscribe for our next video on how to choose a Shopify plan. Thanks for watching.